have been growing and growing. That's what we do. We've been working as hard as we can to get new programs and growing in the automotive industry. I have been here for 2 days and I have seen a ton of things. Very exciting. I actually have a wish list. There's some things that we actually need to buy soon, and so we looked at all of those. We're able to make some really great decisions as to how we're going to move forward. And then there's some things that are long-term wish list things, and we get the opportunity to learn and explore and dream and make that, the 2, 3, maybe 5-year down the road type of wish. That Meltio head on the additive CNC, crazy. We're a minute away, but definitely the direction we'd love to go in. It will allow us to be quicker, to have more complex geometries. All the things that we do today so well, we're going to just be able to do it quicker and faster. This has been an amazing experience. This is my first time here. It will not be my last.